Can, could have done. 3 little keys, come learn each one.
Can is now, could is past.
Could have done, a chance that passed.
I can speak English, I can learn today.
I can ask a question, I can find my way.
She can play the piano, he can ride a bike.
They can speak together, we can say.
That's right.
Can means I am able.
Can means I have power.
I can start right now.
This is my learning hour.
Can, I can do. I can learn something new. Can, yes I can. I can try and try again.
Can you speak?
Yes I can.
Can you help?
Yes I can.
Can we learn?
Yes we can. Step by step we understand. Can I open the window?
Can I sit here please?
Can you help me, teacher?
Can you repeat it please?
Can I drink some water?
Can I use your pen?
Can we sing together?
Let's begin again.
Can is for ability.
Can is permission to.
Can you help me? Yes, I can help you. Can, I can do. I can learn something new. Can, yes I can. I can try and try again.
Can you speak?
Yes I can.
Can you help?
Yes I can.
Can we learn?
Yes we can. Step by step we understand.
When I was a child,
I could run so fast.
I could climb tall trees.
In the summer past,
She could sing very well.
he could swim all day.
They could play outside before the rain
came.
Listen carefully.
Can is now.
Could is past.
I can swim now.
I could swim when I was 5.
Can is today.
Could is yesterday.
Say it with me.
Can today.
Could yesterday.
Could you help me please?
Could you say that again?
Could you speak more slowly?
Could I borrow your pen?
Could I ask a question?
Could we start once more?
Could you open the window?
Could you close the door?
Could is softer than can.
Polite and kind to say.
Could you help me please?
That's the better way. I could do.
I could run when I was 2.
Could, polite and sweet.
Could you help me take a seat?
Could you speak?
Yes I could.
Could you help?
Yes I could.
Could we try?
Yes we could.
Now the meaning feels so good. I could have studied but I watched TV.
I could have listened,
but I was not ready.
She could have called him but she stayed alone.
He could have answered but he dropped his phone.
They could have won the game,
but they stopped too soon.
We could have seen the stars,
but we left before the moon.
Could have done
means maybe but no.
I had a chance,
but I did not go.
I could have helped,
but I didn't help.
I could have called,
but I didn't call.
Could have studied,
could have tried,
could have finished,
but time went by.
You could have told me before it was too late.
You could have waited at the garden gate.
I could have been kinder.
I could have been strong.
I could have said sorry
when I was wrong.
We could have practiced
every single day.
Now we know the lesson.
Don't let chances fly away. I can learn now.
I could learn before.
I could have learned yesterday.
But today I'll learn more.
I can help now.
I could help then.
I could have helped before.
So I'll help again.
Can is power. Could is past.
Could have done
means the chance did not last. Can, I can do.
I can learn something new.
Could, I could do.
In the past,
yes, that is true.
Could have done,
but I did not do.
Could have gone,
but I stayed with you.
Can's now,
could has passed.
Could have done,
a chance that passed.
I can try today.
I could try before.
I could have tried yesterday.
But now I'll try once more. Can, could have done.
3 little keys, now we know each one.
Can is now.
Could is past.
could have done, a chance that passed.